How to erase all data on your iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to completely erase all data on your iPhone. This can be really useful if you are selling your device, giving it away, or just want to start fresh. But remember, erasing data is permanent, so make sure you back up everything before we dive in. Alright, so let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General, then scroll to the very bottom and tap Reset. Here, you will see an option that says Erase all content and settings. Tap on that and you will be prompted to enter your passcode, so go ahead and do that. If you have Find My iPhone enabled, it will ask you to turn it off by entering your Apple ID password. This is an important security step to prevent anyone from erasing your iPhone without permission. Once you have done that, you'll get a confirmation screen asking if you really want to erase everything. Remember, this will remove all your apps, photos, settings and everything. So make sure you have backed up if needed. Next, tap Erase iPhone to confirm, and then your device will begin the process. It might take a few minutes depending on the amount of data on your phone. And that's it. Your phone will restart as if it were brand new. With all your data wiped, now you are ready to sell it, pass it on, or set it up fresh. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next one.